everyone, it's Ashley Janae here, and in this video we're going to be doing a review on this Amazon wig. So if you're interested in this, make sure you keep on watching. Alright, let's just get straight into it. I'm going to share clips of the unboxing process and what was included, and I'm also going to share clips on the hair before I bleached it this bright blonde color. I did process it about 3 times and then I toned it. So for me to have bleached this wig 3 times and it's still giving body, y'all, if y'all are not ordering y'all wigs from Amazon, what are y'all doing? I purchased this wig from Mnador wig company on Amazon, and all of their wigs, they specialize in HD lace. I love how the lace comes very thin and it's cut at the edges in a zigzag form to replicate your natural hairline, which I love. And you can easily just put makeup on it and blend it in with your scalp. It came very silky and soft with a lot of body to it. Came with its own cap, a few clips, and if y'all are looking for a cheap bob wig that's going to get you're going to get a lot of wear of, I definitely recommend this company. It's 250 density and it was very full. Now that you done checked out the unboxing video, let's get this wig installed. Baby, I'm Atlanta ready. You have made it to the end of this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and let's get into the description and details of this wig that I have on. So this wig is a 5x5 lace closure wig, 10 inches, and the vendor I'm going to pop up right here. I'm going to also pop up how the wig looked on Amazon right here. This wig is 200 density, and I can say that it is really full, and I love a very full high density wig because you are able to receive multiple wears from this wig. And I am going to install this wig a couple more times and just kind of maybe like give a 2 to 3 month update, because I don't know about y'all, but I'm one of them girls that let's bring it back to the old days with wearing installs for a while and wear the same wig for a while. So that's what I'm going to do. I am going to be giving you guys an updated review on the wig, the wear, the maintenance, the color, and it is giving real life HD, okay? And I did not bleach the knots at all. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, and comment what you will want to see more from me. If you want to see more hair videos, let me know, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.